We have ourselves like a 1960 push mower, I think. Don't hold me to it. It was actually my grandfather's when he was a kid. When he was a kid, it was old. And they hit a rock and then it needed a new motor, and they took it off of one that had a rotted deck, and who knows how old it is. But it's past the lead stage. Doesn't require lead fuel, so I don't know if push mowers ever need lead fuel or what. But the fuel pump's finally going out on it, and you know, push mowers are like 130 bucks now, and this was only 20 bucks to make it all refreshed again and make a video out of it. What sucks, I just bought this filter for it the other day. Now it comes with two, and I paid $7 for one, and I get two for 26, I think. Link will be in the description below. It did say there was a really long waiting time for it to come in. Ended up coming in that weekend. And I bought this model because I don't like that everything's plastic and the original's metal, but I wanted all the stuff that actually fits it from the fuel tank. Look at that. I just want it all to fit nice, because this push mower is so old. You actually use this filter and you cram it in a weird way, and it doesn't even work the best. But everything still looks the same. Clear back from them days. But I've seen these. I didn't really know what they were. I think it's the extra primer bulb, which we want the primer bulb because fuel is starting to get so awful. Fuel, they put, now I think we have like 15% ethanol in it. Oh, that just clips in there. That's not gonna last long when it's vibrating. So that just clips. Actually, it didn't even clip. It does have the bolt that goes clear through the middle. That'll be nice. Same as the original. No, this fuel's starting, unless you buy no ethanol, you're getting some really crappy gas. And it's taking more to start it, so the primer bulb will be really nice. I'm going to see if I can use the old tank, because I actually like the metal tank better than what this plastic one's going to most likely be. Comes with a spark plug. That spark plug hasn't been changed in probably 20 years. Springs for the, doesn't have a choke, but it does have a throttle. I assume when you push the throttle all the way in one position, it does choke it. They gave us a bunch of extra of these. We have 3, because there's a red one included. And I was thinking about taking the red one out because it's going to get dirty. If you put oil in the mower, and then you're going to have oil on you. This is a really nice thick tank. You know, I may not be opposed to using it still. Same size hole as I had before. Cardboard filter on the top to catch it all. I'll probably go to crap. And the threads just aren't going to be the same. Huh? I don't know. This is built pretty nice. That's probably for my mechanism that I'm putting on the end for the choke and the throttle. I'm pretty impressed with how well this is built. Now, the reason we're changing this is because when we get to a half a tank, which isn't that much fuel, what, a cup? 2 cups go by, the thing dies. So instead of replacing all this, just upgrade it to a whole new setup and primer bulb and all the good stuff. There's the bolt that goes clear through. And this should be the carburetor. Nope, not the carburetor. What was I thinking? This, I hope there was no other spring. So this will go like this. Oh, it's a plastic choke looking thing. God, it's just weird going from metal to all plastic. Can I take that out now? How does that clip in there? Oh, you gotta push the clips in? Where's that? I don't know, maybe I shouldn't mess with it because it's sealed right now. Should work good. So this is kind of like a carburetor, I guess. It's got the filter on that one, filter on that one, and a spring. And this will go right like this. I'll go like that into the tube. I think all this is dry rotted on ours too. But I may just put the plastic one on there. I don't really care for plastic, but we'll keep the old just in case. Did come with the screws to mount it down. And then this will go through here. It's a bit different. So mine has this down here. This one just goes straight through. Oh no, it screws into that. Oh boy. Screws into the plastic, which I'm sure it has an insert. There we go. There, it'll go like that. It'll look like that. Looks kind of like the one I already have. Then you prime it to get it going. Looks like it only has one bolt to hold it against the motor. We'll have to check all that out. That's all to this build. Let's go make a video on putting it together. Oh, now it goes through. Wow. Now it goes through there. But before it was... Okay. So it uses that right there. So it is a nice insert. Should work good. I'm not going to change this primer bulb out because the red one is already seated in there and should have no problems.